Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change stores, you must first cancel your Apple Music subscription problem, especially if you're stuck because of an active Apple Music subscription. Let's get started. Step 1. Cancel your Apple Music subscription. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on your Apple ID at the top. Scroll down and tap on Subscriptions. Here, you'll see all your active subscriptions. If you have an Apple Music subscription, try canceling it. If you're unable to cancel it, don't worry, there's another way to fix this. Step 2. Sign out and use a different Apple ID. Go back to your Apple ID settings and tap Sign Out. Once you've signed out, log in with a different Apple ID and check if the Change Country option is now available. If the issue persists, we'll move to the next step. Step 3. Contact Apple Support. If you're still unable to change your store or cancel your subscription, it's time to reach out to Apple Support. Open any web browser on your device and search for Apple Support. Click on the first link, select your device, and scroll down to find the Subscriptions and Purchases section. Tap on Start Now. Then choose View, Change, or Cancel Subscription. From there, you'll see options to either call or chat with an Apple representative. Use the chat option if it's available, and explain that you need to cancel your subscription to change your country. They'll guide you through the process. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.